Yep. Hello, everybody.
Sheesh.
We are beginning preparations on the heap.
A heap, eh?
Okay. Today, what we're going to be doing, hopefully, perhaps, maybe, hypothetically, is we're going to remove the fenders, remove the grill, and removing the engine without dying. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
This engine is mint.
Sheesh.
Ran when parked.
10 years ago.
And as you can see, it has a lot of
Weight reduction
for airflow.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't have air conditioning, and it doesn't need it.
Nope.
It's got all the airflow it needs.
It's got the old-timey air conditioning.
And it's got built-in bug protection.
That's right. Heated seats.
Heated seats! It's got a seat heater, don't it?
Yes, sir.
So it appears, in addition to the birds that we had in there, it appears down here, there were also a few other residents that have hopefully moved out. Now, I ain't a bug scientist. Yeah, that thing. But that don't look good.
Sheesh.
So far, few injuries. And I've removed the bolts here. By remove, I mean they've snapped off. And this one's rusted on there a little bit. So hopefully when you snap it off, it appears every bolt is just going to snap off. Which is good enough. Hopefully, it's better for it to snap off and stay on. So, in our infinite wisdom, when we put this in here, it's a little far this way. We've broken off bolts. This is like halfway off.
Sheesh.
We are gonna have to like climb in here
and
operate and hopefully not get tetanus. And hopefully by the end of it, we have most our fingers.
Sheesh.
He needs them to count. Without them, he's gonna get fired. Now, what have I been saying for the last 5 minutes about this bolt right here?
That there might be a nut.
What did you keep saying?
There might not be one.
You kept saying, it's coming out.
It felt like it was coming
Well,
out.
keep twisting it for us real quick.
Alright.
I don't know if y'all can see. Wait, let me get some lumens over here. But right here, there's a little nut. And I came over here, and it's spinning like a ballerina.
I wouldn't say it's little. I'd say it's about average.
You speaking from experience?
Maybe.
Now, as intended, 100%, we strategically snapped every bolt.
Sheesh.
And we have removed the right fender.
Sorry.
After about 8 hours.
Something like that. I can't count.
And in 59 minutes.
An amount of time.
He can't count that high. That's why I keep all his fingers, folks.
Right? Sometimes I gotta take my shoes off.
Sometimes he's gotta borrow some of my hands. He don't know what to do with himself. All right. This fender has been removed. These bolts don't want to come off, but that one did. And now, the hood. What hood at?
Where the hood at? Shit.
Okay. Alright, let's like put it back here. Let's try not to die. Why are we so short?
Right?
Thanks, Dad. Alright. Because we're too stupid, we gotta do this. We gotta, well, maneuver it.
Are you gonna have to come out my way?
Alright, there we go, perfect.
Alright, we're still hooked on here.
Oopsie. Alright, take two. Alright.
Alright, give me some.
Alright. There we go.
Something like that.
That'll work.
Nope.
Lift it up a little more.
We're hooked on here again.
Let's just fucking cut the wire.
Fuck.
Language. Oh, wait. Wait. I don't know. I wish my forearms were so weak. I need to do more practice like Tori.
Damn.
There we go. Oh, there's two. Oh well. There we go. Perfect. Beautimus, as my father would say. Okay. Beautimus. All right. Woo. French door's so hot.
Bruh, we recording up in this hole, you know what I'm saying? I just start operating on this human right here. Alright, are you ready, Freddy?
Nope. Wait, I guess so. I'm gonna get down here and try not to get
Try not to get got.
tinnitus, hepatitis.
Shush! Are you ready?
No, but yeah.
Alright, be quiet now. Bruh, of course it came out off right when I got the camera.
That's awesome!
I mean, it's good. I just want it to be funny and it's like...
Record still?
Huh?
Is you recording?
Yeah.
For the last like 10 minutes, we have tried to get that off. So we're like, let's get the camera to be like working on a this is a 60-year-old vehicle be like, and then it comes off. So it's the power of the camera.
That's right. It's kind of like how the cameraman doesn't ever die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have removed every, we think, transmission bolt.
Hopefully.
And we're removing the motor mounts.
Sheesh.
And hopefully we don't die.
Sir.
Hopefully. Is it? People have a log on it, I guess.
It's not coming up.
I think you snapped the motor mount off.
Oh, it's okay. I can hear there's tension under it. That's why I was wiggling it.
Yeah, you snapped the motor mount off.
Well, good thing I'm water. Sheesh.
All right. We have removed the engine poorly.
I'm not very rich. Okay.
Our objective is to use a combination of things we find and scrap metal
To repair all these holes and
that are
stuff
everywhere.
that's almost consumed the entire thing.
It is riddled with rust.
Yep.
And also, to remove the transmission, we have every part for the transmission.
Supposedly.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
We might witness him cease to exist here and fall through. He is driving the Jeep.
I see over here.
It's a lowrider. Look how down low he is. He is down low and down bad. He is in the hood. This is like us when we rolled the car in Idaho. That's a story for another time. But we are going to use metal such as old washing machines. Literally anything we can find that is free. He might.
If it's free, it's for me.
If it's free, it's for me. Exactly. And so our plan is to do that. And from there, hopefully, our goal is by the next summer to have a drivable Jeep that we won't fall through the floor of.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Most of this is, realistically, we need an entire new tub. But we are broke.
We don't have we have the budget for the free stuff on the side of the road.
Exactly. And some of this is savable, and we don't have money, but we do have time.
I don't.
I do. So that's the goal. So next time, hopefully you will see the Jeep with no transmission in it, at least a repaired transmission. And in the next video, hopefully we will be finding out if this engine can be saved. Hopefully it can, or we're gonna have to, like, put a small block Chevy in here, basically.
Probably. Something like that.
Well, I'd prefer to keep it Jeepy. Jeepers Creepers. Look at them papers.
Sheesh.
Alright, so we will see you in the next video.
Sheesh.